This SG900 drone, born for travel. It is a powerful travel drone, automatic sensor adjustment camera, 4K HD 120 degrees ESC camera, optical flow constant, intelligent control, dual mode precise positioning. As long as you do not fly out of the Earth, our satellites can locate your drone in real time. Turn on image follow function. Let a drone follow you. 336 degrees surrounds. Easy to take a picture of the net red. As long as you set the flight path, the drone will fly according to your instructions. Gesture photography and gesture recording function let you capture every moment in real time. MV production function can add filters, music, lens effects to the film, create for smart travel.
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights and you got me alone. You found me, you found me, you found me.
Take it together wherever you go. New shape, convenient to carry. Easy to control with stable flight. Makes the clear aerial photography. Show you with the vision on the flight system. A personal aerial photography. Set the flight trajectory. The drone will follow the set trajectory flight. Equipped with HD video system to record every wonderful moment. Enjoy the free time with her. GPS intelligent tracking system. Record every moving moment. (360-degree surrounding photography. Full view of the beauty around. Easy one key return. MV sharing function. Share the best scenery with your friends. My best traveling companion. CSJ GPS drone. It is my best buddy. Folding is more convenient to carry. One click to take off. Operate easily. Live flow positioning. Stable hover. 4K HD wide-angle camera. Make the record more clearly. Dual camera switching. Searching for the different me with different angles. With intelligent follow function, it can go anywhere I go. With fixed point route planning, I decide where I want to go. 360-degree surround shot. Travel Pro, it is my best buddy.
This is SG900, new upgraded power system, strong wind assistance, more stable flight, portable foldable body design. You can take it anywhere. It has a 4K UHD wide-angle camera, clearer imaging, precise and stable optical flow positioning, sensitive gesture recognition. Just take a picture with your finger. Intelligent gesture recognition video. Easily silent private photographers. Enjoy the convenience of smart technology. Smart image follow. Free your hands. HD real-time image transmission. Let you be there. Modular replaceable battery. Make the flight more enjoyable. Dual cameras can switch seamlessly. The longest battery life is up to 22 minutes. MV production function. Add special effects, beauty filters, music to your movie. Share a circle with one click.
GPS 4-axis aerial drone. It is designed with folded airframe, coupled with HD camera. You can cope with different shooting scenes easily. Its GPS positioning system enables the aircraft to hang in the air accurately. By supporting gesture control, the aircraft automatically recognizes gestures, so you will never miss every wonderful moment. Make the shooting gesture command to the aircraft, and it will automatically open the shooting and recording function. Its smart following can free your hands. Enjoy taking aerial photos to the full. Open up minds, explore the infinite land, and share your beautiful moments.
There are many unknowns in the world. In what way are you exploring them? You might as well try our K1 drone. Excellent GPS positioning function, 4K camera with clean fuselage. It can sense the signal source in real time and follow it intelligently. Innovative gesture instructions, free from complex physical manipulation. Make photography and video recording more arbitrary. Configuration of steering camera. Fixed point trajectory flight. 360-degree circumferential flight bring you more diverse flight experience. The 30-minute super long flight time, one-click return function, so that every flight has a security guarantee. Wonderful images, MV production, one-click sharing. Let it go!
For me, images is the best way to record things, and it makes my travels more meaningful. I was able to relax with the camera in my hand. Smooth body design, 90-degree adjustable camera. A new generation of intelligent aerial photography aircraft and the GPS optical flow dual mode to achieve precise positioning, high control sensitivity, no matter where, can easily control. Waypoint mode makes handling easily. Image following, surrounding mode, and unique travel photography techniques are ready to initiate. Long battery life makes my journey unimpeded. High-performance image processor to add 5G HD long-distance real-time image transmission. I can see the landscape more clearer in front of me with a 50x zoom. According to photo video by gesture recognition, like my travel selfie is no longer single. Make the journey more enjoyable with GPS tracking. Each trip is a departure in order to more clearly find their own location. Reach out and take control. When the aircraft is running low, one button calls back to me. The journey is accompanied by music to record a beautiful day. Comfortable journey. Share it with one key.